Hi lovelies, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be an eyeshadow tutorial where I'll be showing you how to achieve a very beautiful and easy soft pink eyeshadow look. Now starting up as usual, I would start up with my eyebrows. If you want a detailed eyebrow tutorial, please let me know. Now I'm going to do my eyeshadow. First off, I'm applying my concealer all over my eyelid. Now this is going to serve as a good base for my eyeshadow placement before going over by applying my powder all over my eyelid. Next thing I would do is to apply this cool tan brown eyeshadow color on my crease region, and the crease region is the region just between the upper and the lower eyelid, after which I'm going over with the star of the show, which is this soft pink eyeshadow. I'm applying it to the inner corners of my eyelid, that is the inner corners of my lower eyelid. Now the color matches my top, it's like a blush pink color, so I'm just applying that color all over the inner corners of my eyelid. Next, I'm going to apply a black eyeshadow to the outer V of my lower lid. I went over the soft pink shade with a shimmer pink shade, so I went over it with another pink shade that has a bit of shine to it, just adding it on top of the already existing eyeshadow. And then for the upper lid, I went in with a soft brown shade, which was more of a bronzer eyeshadow color. And with that, I was done with the eyeshadow. Alright, I'm going to leave you all to enjoy the rest of the video where I complete the remaining part of my makeup. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and let me know what kind of contents you love to see. Till I see you next time, bye lovelies and God bless you.